Today we're going to make creamy shrimp. Creamy shrimp is a tempura-fried shrimp appetizer with a mayonnaise, mustard, and sour cream sauce. For this dish, we're going to need 7 to 8 pieces of 4150 shrimp. We're going to need them peeled and detailed. We're also going to need for the sauce, mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise, some Japanese hot mustard, sour cream, tobiko. We're also going to need some thick cut pieces of mango, or if it is the right season, persimmon. Persimmon goes perfectly with this dish. We're also going to need for garnish a little bit of cilantro. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our sauce for our creamy shrimp. What we're going to do is we're going to start by taking 1 cup of Japanese mayonnaise, and we're going to add it to our bowl. Then we're going to take 1 tablespoon of Japanese hot mustard. And then we're also going to add that to our mayonnaise. After adding both ingredients to our bowl, we're just going to go ahead and give a very good mix, and then we can go ahead and store in a container until we're ready to use. Once we end up frying our shrimp and we're just about ready to add the sauce, that's when we'll add our sour cream and our tobiko. So now it's time for us to fry our shrimp. Here we have our floured shrimp, and we're going to go ahead and put it all into our tempura batter. We're then going to cover the shrimp in our tempura batter and lay them straight into the fryer. Once any of them start coming to the top, we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of tempura batter on top of them. This is to make sure that they have enough batter and they're all nice and crispy. Now we're going to add a little tempura crunch to the backside to them. While we're waiting, the shrimp are almost ready. We're just removing some tempura crunch from the fryer. Our shrimp are just about ready. You can see that they're getting a nice light golden color, and that you can start to see the pinkness of the shrimp coming through our batter. This is when we know that they're ready to go. And we'll just go ahead and set them aside and let the excess oil drain off. After this, it's time for us to go ahead and mix with our sauce and then go ahead and clean. So now that it's time for us to go ahead and finish our dish, what we need to do first is we're going to finish our sauce. We're going to start by taking our mayonnaise and mustard sauce, and we want to make sure that we get nice sized tablespoons worth of sauce, and we're going to go ahead and put that all into our bowl. After adding all of it to our bowl, we're then going to take a teaspoon, and we're going to add a teaspoon amount of sour cream to our sauce. After adding our sour cream, we're going to take a small pinch of tobiko and go ahead and add that into our bowl. And then we can go ahead and give our sauce a nice mix. After the sour cream and our mayonnaise mustard sauce is completely combined, just about ready. This is when we're going to go ahead and add all of our mango pieces. After putting our mango pieces into the sauce, now it's time to go ahead and add our shrimp. This is the important part. Once we add our shrimp, we don't want to stir too much. We're not trying to cover everything in sauce because it's fried. If we cover everything in sauce, it'll be super soggy. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a quick 1, 2, 3 mix so that we have just some sauce on. It's time for us to go ahead and start plating. We're going to take our plate here. We have a nice little leaf for garnish. Then we're going to take our shrimps and start plating. We want to plate them kind of spread out, but also we want to put them on top of each other. We're trying to get a nice spread out with a little bit of height. And don't forget to add your mango pieces spread across the whole dish as well. Now, after adding all of our stuff to the top, we're going to finish it off with a beautiful piece of cilantro. And this is our creamy ebi dish ready to be served.